Do you need to lower your Indian motorcycle for stopping and better control while parking? Would you like to improve ride comfort and reduce painful bottoming and fatigue for both you and your passenger? Great news! Arnott has designed the perfect onboard adjustable air suspension kit engineered specifically for Indian baggers, tourers, cruisers, and even scouts. Arnott's patented True Air technology combines a Fox Street Performance IFP damper with a Goodyear Multiply air spring to provide ride comfort and height adjustability. Arnott shocks are designed to use the bike's full suspension travel, so you can fully lower your heavy bike for parking or quickly adjust the air spring's firmness for exceptional comfort over any road, carrying any load. Arnott kits are ready to install and come with everything you need for a fast, flawless installation and are backed by Arnott's industry-leading warranty. Elevate your ride with an Arnott onboard adjustable air suspension system for your Indian motorcycle.